Door sweep seals gaps between the bottom of the door and the threshold to better keep out air, water, dust, noise, and critters. A tighter seal on your door will save you money on heating and cooling. This self-stick door strip is quick to install, making it an easy way to start saving energy today. Before installing your door sweep, begin by cleaning around your threshold and the bottom of the door. Adhesives stick better to clean, dry surfaces, so make sure that the door area is free of dust and debris. Then measure the width of the door. If your door is narrower than the sweep, cut it to the proper width using a hacksaw or strong utility scissors. Align the door sweep on the outside face of your exterior door so that it just contacts the bevel on the threshold, the tapered wood at the bottom of the entryway. For the door sweep to move fluidly, it should not touch the flooring material, the carpet, tile, or wood as the door swings open or closed. Before you apply, close your door firmly. Now, hold the door sweep in position, checking that it's level. If you want to be exact, you can hold the door sweep to the door and draw a line just over the top of the door sweep. Take off the paper backing of the adhesive strip and line up the sweep with your pencil mark. Work along the edge, pressing firmly. That's all there is to it. You just made your home more energy efficient and reduced your utility bill. We offer a variety of weatherization products to meet your unique needs. To choose the products that are right for you, visit us at www.amconservation.com.